There's the twins with trumpets at Trump's inauguration. Of course, the Twin Towers were Donald Trump, but y'all know that if you're here on this channel. And Jesus said, I come in my Father's name and you receive me not, but if another shall come in his own name, another Christ, Antichrist, because Jesus came in his Father's name as the Christ. And hang on, let me clear this. What I wanted to show y'all is y'all know this is my backup channel. Not a backup channel. This is my old channel. I call it the Archives channel, Telling Truth Archives. I hope y'all are all subscribed to my main channel. I keep this Archives channel to archives everything in the playlist. Especially Hell is Not Eternal Torment playlist. Mark of the Beast, Knowing for Sure playlist, No Free Will, John 3:16, Falsely Written and Taught playlist, AI is the Ghost in the Machine, Mark of the Beast playlist, or MOTB, Donald Trump Antichrist series playlist, Abomination of Desolation 2 videos, Election Predestinate, just a lot of good videos. The Romans 7 study, I think my Romans 11 study is on here, yeah. But these are my main channels that I want you to subscribe to. I do not monetize my channels. I'm not here to make money. I do daily Bible studies, which is loaded with everything in the playlist. It's called TS Daily Bible Studies. And like there's Revelation 10th Study playlist, John Gospel playlist. They will overlap because I do Revelation and Daniel at the end of all of my New Testament teachings. The Two Witnesses playlist, that's 5 videos deep. I believe the Two Witnesses, it's the church. We are all kings and priests, so check that out. And that's why they're represented by 2 candlesticks. They also got called up to the cloud with Jesus, just like the church does. The church is represented by 7 candlesticks in Revelation, and then later on 2 candlesticks as the 2 witnesses. And they are both persecuted by the Antichrist, like the church is. Caught up to Jesus in the cloud like the church is, represented by candlesticks like the church is. So I'm not dogmatic about it, but I'm confident. But there's your James playlist. Ephesians playlist, Daniel 10th study, so on and so forth. So all these Bible studies, there's artificial intelligence is the Ghost in the Machine, Mark of the Beast, full playlist. This is all at TS Daily Bible Studies. Abomination of Desolation, specific to Matthew 15:24, 5 video playlist, Abomination of Desolation. I put some Jim Brown videos on there about baptism, which I think are good. And so again, with the Romans 7 and the Romans 11 study, very important studies. And End Times Deep Study Series, 3 videos deep, very, very, very good playlist concerning the end times. Don't let people fool you about the end times. And so TS Daily Bible Studies, would love for you to subscribe to that. My main channel is Telling Truth 2 now. And of course, there's playlists there also. My backup channel, in case that ever gets interrupted by YouTube, it has not ever. I'm very careful about how I speak and what to say. A lot of channels that are taken down, it's just Mystery Babylon, taking down Mystery Babylon channels or postponing them for a time to make you think that they are true and relevant, where they will tell you 60% of the truth, 50% of the truth, but then they will always take you down the wrong rabbit hole. It's called the bait and switch. Telling Truth 3 is my backup channel, and I do a lot of quick items from movies, quick hitters, when I see symbolism. But I also do a lot of fake football on here also. All right, that's Telling Truth 3. So all of y'all here at Telling Truth Archives, please subscribe to those 3 channels. And check out my playlist here and at the other channels. Love you. Glad you're here.